Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, TSMC, is considering building an advanced production facility in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, as part of its global growth strategy. The company has been in discussions with U.S. officials, including the U.S. Special Envoy to the Middle East, and has held meetings with officials from investment vehicle MGX. The proposed project involves a significant investment in a gigafab, a complex of 6 factories similar to TSMC's facility in Arizona. While the total cost of a UAE facility remains unclear, TSMC's Phoenix project in Arizona involves a substantial investment, including research and packaging facilities. TSMC's decision to proceed with the UAE project will depend on support from the U.S., where some officials have expressed concerns over national security and economic implications. The company has collaborated with the U.S. government on its Arizona project, receiving federal funding. The UAE offers ample land, energy, and financial resources, but currently lacks a skilled workforce for such a plant. TSMC executives visited the UAE last year to explore the feasibility of building factories there. This potential expansion is part of TSMC's efforts to mitigate supply chain and geopolitical risks by expanding to countries such as Japan, Germany, and the U.S. TSMC produces chips designed by companies such as NVIDIA and Advanced Micro Devices, which are vital for electronic devices and AI models. The company recently announced plans to open a chip design center in Munich, Germany, which is expected to contribute to the development of advanced chips for applications such as AI. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.